Hey everyone. So I'm going to do two 8x10s as a pair. I call them twins. I'm going to put black on these, and I'm going to use different shades of purple with a little bit of white pearl. I have a Lucas Lavender, Premier Violet, Deco Art Purple Metallic, Craft Smart Grape Taffy, and Creative Inspirations Pearl Essence. And I may need to add a little white with that because it is very transparent. At least that's what I noticed on my Monday night live pour. So I have some black mixed up already, and all we want to do is just cover the canvas. I do a lot of dipping to save me time. Because you don't want to leave a ton of paint on there either. You want it as thin as possible. There's one. Of course, we're going to be tilting these, so we'll get some more going. You don't need a ton. I had someone comment that I waste a lot of paint. Seriously, that little bit of paint there is less than a quarter, if that. Like maybe 5 cents. So don't worry, it doesn't cost anything to dump a little paint. If you're not an artist, every artist will tell you it's just paint. So I'm going to try to keep these together because I'm going to try to do a pour, a dirty pour, and try to interlock the pour over between the two so they can hang side by side on a wall, or you can put them in 2 different rooms. It doesn't really matter, but I like to try to pair them up once in a while. Okay, and I am standing for this one because I need to be over top of this black. Okay. Little corner there. Okay, so I'm going to need probably 2 cups to get the blend that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and use, I think these are 7-ounce cups. So I'll grab 2 of those, and I am going to spray them with the WD-40 spray, and this will help me release the paint. I don't need it for cells though. All my paint is mixed with Floetrol, PVA, and treadmill silicone. I do not use water. Occasionally the white and black may need a little bit of water, but I try to do less than a tablespoon or 2 for about 12 ounces of paint. So I just don't want to break up the binder. So that's why I do that. Okay, so I'm going to have to pour over here. Let me move that so you can see what I'm doing. I hope you can see. Yeah, you should be able to see. So I want to start with the lavender, and I don't normally do this, but I don't want white to be the last color out of the cup. I'd rather have a lavender color. And on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and add the Premier Violet. I'm trying to use this up today because I need to make some more. And then I'm going to try the Deco Art Purple Metallic. And some Craft Smart Grape Taffy. It's a pretty color. It's almost the same as the lavender, except it's got a little more depth to it. top of that, we're going to put some pearl. Because it's going to get mixed with the other metallic. And then I'm going to give it just a little bit of white to break it all up. And we're going to go again. Oops. Almost forgot to use this one next. Oh, don't fail me now. Bottom of the barrel. Okay. Yay! Get to make a fresh one. Okay, some pearl. Now with the white, I'm going to shove the white down through. This is why I like the squirt bottles, because you have control of that. So I just put it on top and push hard so that it goes down through. There's plenty of paint. I'm not even going to need it all. But I do want some black negative space. So I'm going to start here and just kind of work my way around. I might only need 1 cup. This way I can see what I've got for cells. So I'm going to run that one back through because I don't have any cells there. Ooh, that purple's pretty. I'll torch that and see if I got anything in there. Because when I tilt this, we're going to cover a lot of that black. This is absolutely gorgeous through here. So let me take the top of this cup like I did over there. And I'm going to pour it into here till I get to that point. And I'm going to go ahead and run that through there again, just very quickly. There it is. Maybe a little bit through here. Okay. Now I have some cells. And that's not a ton of paint. It's just the black really, because it's thinner, this paint pushes the black, so. Okay. I don't think I want to touch them. I think I might push that over the edge. Maybe just stretch this one just a little bit. Okay. And that's it. I don't want to touch anymore. No, I lied. There. I don't want to lose that cohesiveness. feel like I want to take that over the edge if I can get it without losing all that purple behind it. Okay, there we go. So you could hang it like that or together. So that's it for that one. I'm going to go ahead and give it another torch. So if you have not subscribed yet, click below and click on the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. You can also shop with me on Etsy at Christina Welch Art. I am running a sale till June 1st. All my paintings and jewelry are 25% off. So get them while they're there. And shop with me on Amazon. You can get your washing machine tray, your torch, your cups, your popsicle sticks, the chucks, the Floetrol, everything that you need, including squirt bottles, are on there. And if there's something that you're looking for that isn't on there, please let me know so I can add it. I'd be more than happy to search that out for you and find you a cheap price. So that's it for that. Let me see if I can just bring it up so you can see the cells, because it's so pretty. Without dripping on one or the other. And I'm going to save that little cup there, and I'm going to do some tiles off camera. So, but I'll show them to you when they're dry. I do post the dried painting pictures on Facebook, or if you need to see it and I haven't posted it, just send me a message through Facebook. I'd be more than happy to send you a picture. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.